protein buildup. That is going to cause your hair to be limp. It's going to cause your hair to be dry, and your hair is going to feel like straw. Like, what do we do about that? What if you are protein sensitive? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantina here. So I know I do a lot of talking about protein and moisture balance, but we have to realize there's a whole nother side to this whole protein thing. What about the people who are protein sensitive or who have a protein overload? Protein overload is when you're putting too much protein on your hair. You know, you're either doing it every week or every other day. Some people hear the word protein and grow and strength and they just overdo it, which causes their hair to do the opposite in which they want it to, do. They want it to build, it's going to break down. They want it to be soft, it's going to be brittle. They don't want it to break, it's going to break. Okay, so that's protein overload. But then you have people who are protein sensitive. That means that their hair does not take well to the building blocks that protein adds to it. Okay, so people who are protein sensitive mostly have to do a DIY for their protein, like egg. There's so many different things. Male, egg, avocado have some protein, but that's a lot for moisture. But there are a whole bunch of DIYs that you can do to get moisture back in your hair. Okay, or you can take a deep conditioner that has protein in it and use that once a month. Okay, because keep in mind, you still need protein. Okay, just not so much all the time. Once a month. Now, the other 3 weeks, you still gonna have to keep doing those deep conditioners, them deep conditioning treatments that you do each week, that we do each week. And I wanna show you some deep conditioners that don't have protein in them, because there are a lot of deep conditioners, deep conditioning treatments, revitalizing, rejuvenating, strengthening. All those type of conditioners have protein in them. But I am going to show you some deep conditioners that don't have protein in them. The first one is the Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. It's with sea kelp and argan oil. It's for dry, damaged hair. It heals, grows, and strengthens. See, it said it strengthens, but it doesn't have any protein in it. So these are the type of products that you want to look for. Strengthening, but it doesn't have any protein in it. That means it has other agents in it that brings the strength to your hair. So this one here, this is a good one. Like I said, I use this one in the winter months. Another favorite of mine is the Main Choice Peach Tea Tree and Vitamin Infused Mask. This deep conditioner right here does wonders. Okay, not only is it a deep conditioner, it also has black tea in it. And I did a video on my channel a couple of years ago with tea rinses. Tea rinse. If you do a tea rinse, it will stop your hair from shedding. So this has black tea in it. So therefore, it's really good to stop the shedding of your hair without doing a DIY for black tea. So this product is very, very good for deep conditioning and to stop the shedding. This one is pretty much. This one, it's not as thick as the other one, but it gets the job done, okay? Check it out. Another one of my favorites is the TGIN Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. So you want to look for words like hydrating, moisturizing. Those deep conditioners 7 times out of 10 don't have protein in them. So you still want to be looking at the ingredients, but these are a few that you can use that you don't have to look at the ingredients. You can just take my word for it and go out and get you some. So the other deep conditioner that I like to use from this same line is the is the Honey Miracle Honey Mask. I'll put it up on the screen. It's from TGIN. I'll put it up on the screen here. That is another good one that you can use if you are trying to avoid deep conditioners with protein in them. All right, so there's one more thing that I want to talk to you guys about. I ran across this product here. This is from By My Nature. It is fermented rice water. Okay, you can get your protein from rice water also. I also did a video on rice water. Go check it out, see what it did for my hair. I think I did 3 videos, progression videos on how my hair turned out using rice water, and the benefits and some things you need to avoid when it comes to rice water. But rice water is another way for you to get your protein in your hair. Okay, but I found this, if you don't want to do your own DIY protein, DIY rice water to get strength for your hair, you can go out and get this fermented rice water with coconut and tea tree. It promotes natural growth, it seals and smooths cuticles, and it removes buildup. And it also says it's for protein sensitive, low porosity hair. I haven't started using this yet, but I wanted to get back into the rice water, but it does take so much to prepare it, but it's so good for your hair. So I'm gonna try this out, and I will let you guys know in my Instagram. I'll put it in either an Insta story or somewhere on my Instagram, so go follow me there at SimplyDivineCurls and get the update on how I feel about this fermented rice water. All right, so that is my suggestions for deep conditioners that do not have protein in them. You want to make sure that you're getting your protein, but if you are protein sensitive, there are other avenues that you can take that will give you the protein that you need. You can do your DIYs for your protein. You can do a deep conditioner that has protein in it once a month, or you can do the fermented rice water. You can do DIYs with egg yolks and things like that to get your protein. Just remember, you're gonna need your protein for healthy hair. Okay, I'm gonna leave all of the products that I mentioned. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. Feel free to go there, check it out. You can also get these products at your local beauty supply store, and of course you can get it at Target, you can get it at Walmart, and of course you can get it on Amazon. This fermented rice water, I got this from my neighborhood beauty supply store. I'll look online and see if I can find a link to it or something comparable to it, so you guys can have that option also. All right, so if you have any comments, questions, please leave them below. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thumbs up this video, and as always, remember to stay focused. Keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until the next time I see you guys, have a great day. Bye.